Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a pool in NFT20 for your favorite project. Like this tutorial is mainly for either project founders that want to leverage NFT20 for their collection, or just for collectors that are really liking one project and want to trade it more easily. So the first step you have to do is to connect your wallet. Like in my case, I'm using MetaMask. Then we can go on the asset page, and on the top left you will see the add asset button. So just click it. Like here, what you have to do is just to paste the contract address of the NFT collection you want to add. So in our case, like what I like to do to get it easily is go to my account page on OpenSea. And for example, today I want to add the Trade Squad NFT collection. So I click one asset, and as you can see in the URL, you have the contract address. So I copy paste it, go back to NFT20 and paste the address here. So like automatically we will try to find information about the project. So here it's NFT or ERC721. The name of the project is Trade Squad. We will add one space, and and you can choose a symbol. So maybe let's do Squad 20. Okay, so when you decided about those information, you just have to click on the create NFT exchange, and MetaMask will pop up with a transaction. Creating a pool is basically kind of like a Uniswap creation of pools. So it's a little bit cost. At 171 we are for around $200. So I will confirm this transaction, and now I just have to wait for the transaction to be mined. If your transaction is mined, you can just go to the asset page. You should maybe refresh the page to make sure we got the new, and we can search for Trade Squad. Okay, we have it here. Next step will be to like customize the pool to show a correct image. So the first thing we will do is go to Very Nifty GitHub, and you will see a repository which is NFT20 assets. Basically information about pools like photos or what is a Uniswap LP token are stored here, so you can just edit it. Go at the end, and we can copy the last one and get the information. So we said it's Trade Squad. The symbol is Squad 20. For image, we can just pick either profile image of the project on Twitter, or you can go, for example, to OpenSea collection and just copy image URL and paste it there, and add Trade Squad, and commit the change. Okay, so like change will take a few minutes to get reflected. So during this time, we can also create the Uniswap pool for Squad20 tokens. Or, but for this first, we will need to deposit one item to have Squad20 tokens. So I will deposit my one and only item that I have, and I just click on swap. And confirm the transaction. Okay, so now my transaction was mine, and we can see I transferred one Trade Squad item to get to mint Squad20 tokens. So we can see the action that was done here. Click on the pool. In the meantime, the image was loaded, so the pool looks nice, and we can see that there is one item in the pool, and it's here. It's good. Next step that is optional is to create a Uniswap pool, so people are able to trade their Squad20 tokens to Ether or any other currencies. So let's click on trade Squad20 Uniswap. So here we will be asked to deposit Squad20 tokens and Ether. So in my case, I will deposit all my Squad20 tokens. And from the NFT traders website, the price to mint one NFT is 0.1. So I will set up a base price of 0.1. So I first need to approve Squad20 spend. So let's confirm and wait a little. So now that the transaction went through, we can see the Uniswap pool of Squad20 was created. When you create random pools like this, you always have kind of bots that jump in the pool to trade it. There is nothing to worry about. So we will get the address of the pool. So it's this one, and we will add it to the asset file like we did before. So we search for Trade Squad. We will just add like this the Uniswap link and LP token address. So LP token will be what we passed. Okay, and Uniswap link will be this. With the address. Okay, so let's commit, and if we wait a few minutes, we will see after the change was done, we can now see on the user interface that we have the correct Uniswap pool and the liquidity, and we automatically calculate the floor price, which in this case might be misleading, because as the liquidity is really small and was manipulated by bots, the floor price kind of get 5 times bigger. So that's all for today. Like, don't hesitate if you need anything, help to join our Discord so we can assist you with pool creation.